Hello everyone and welcome. Your home is your sanctuary, but sometimes it can feel like chaos. Today we're sharing 10 simple, powerful tips to create a modern, organized home that you'll love, even if it's small. These tips are all about making your home work for you, not the other way around. Let's begin, shall we? Before we dive into organizing, let's start with the basics, decluttering. It's all about letting go of items you no longer use or love. Hold each item in your hands. Do you feel a spark of joy? If not, it's time to say thank you and let it go. Donate gently used clothes and household items to those in need. Recycle paper, plastic, and glass. And for items that no longer serve a purpose, it's okay to simply let them go. Start with one room or even just one drawer. Every little bit counts. Take your time, be mindful, and enjoy the process of creating a more joyful and organized home. Now that you've decluttered, let's talk about maximizing space. When floor space is limited, go vertical. Think tall bookshelves that reach the ceiling, slim rolling carts for bathroom essentials, or floating shelves to display your favorite treasures. Installing shelves above doorways or using the back of doors for hanging storage can also work wonders. Vertical storage not only maximizes space but also draws the eye upward, creating the illusion of a larger, more airy room. It's a simple yet effective way to transform your space. In a modern, organized home, furniture should be both stylish and functional. Make your furniture work harder. Consider pieces that serve more than one purpose, like beds with built-in storage, coffee tables that double as desks, or ottomans with hidden compartments. These versatile pieces not only save space but also add a touch of sophistication to your home. Choose pieces that spark joy and enhance your daily life. Utilize corners. Corners are often overlooked, but they can be a goldmine for extra storage or creativity. Add corner shelves to display books, plants, or decorative items. Create a cozy reading nook with a comfortable chair and a floor lamp, or transform a corner into a mini home office with a compact desk and a stylish chair. Embrace the challenge of transforming these often forgotten spaces into something beautiful and functional. Hidden storage is a game changer, especially in smaller homes. Think under-stair compartments for storing seasonal items, furniture with secret drawers, or storage ottomans that double as seating. These clever solutions keep clutter out of sight while maintaining a clean and organized aesthetic. In the bedroom, under-bed storage is perfect for extra linens or out-of-season clothing. In the living room, a coffee table with hidden compartments can neatly store remotes, magazines, or board games. Choose pieces that complement your existing furniture and add a touch of understated elegance to your space. Light makes any space feel bigger and brighter. Maximize natural light by keeping windows unobstructed and using sheer curtains that allow sunlight to filter through. Add mirrors to reflect light and create an illusion of space. Strategically placed mirrors can work wonders in small rooms. Hang a large mirror on a wall opposite a window to reflect natural light deep into the space. Embrace the power of light and mirrors to create a more spacious, inviting, and joyful atmosphere. Keep things neat and easy to find by organizing with color codes and clear labels. This works wonders in pantries, closets, and kids' rooms. Imagine opening your pantry and instantly finding the pasta sauce because it's grouped with other red-labeled items. Color coding and labeling not only make it easier to find what you need, but also create a sense of visual order and calm. Choose a labeling system that sparks joy for you, whether it's handwritten labels on craft paper or sleek, modern labels printed from your computer. Choose colors and labels that make you smile and turn your organizational system into a reflection of your unique personality. The kitchen, the heart of the home. Simple hacks like stackable containers, magnetic strips for knives, and drawer organizers can help you maximize space and create a more functional and enjoyable cooking experience. Imagine opening your drawers to find neatly organized cutlery, spices, and utensils. Stackable containers keep your pantry shelves tidy and maximize vertical space. And with a magnetic strip mounted on the wall, your knives are always within reach and beautifully displayed. Embrace these simple hacks and transform your cooking space into a haven of culinary creativity. In today's digital age, there's no need to be bogged down by paper clutter. Embrace digital tools to streamline your life and create a more organized home. Scan important documents and store them securely online for easy access anytime, anywhere. Unsubscribe from junk mail and opt for paperless billing whenever possible. Embrace the power of technology to simplify your life and create a more serene and organized living space. Now that your home is decluttered and organized, it's time for the finishing touch, adding personal touches that spark joy. Display family photos, cherished souvenirs, or artwork that speaks to your soul. Bring in the beauty of nature with indoor plants. Not only do plants add a touch of life and vibrancy to your space, but they also purify the air and promote a sense of well-being. Infuse your space with items that spark joy and make you feel truly at home. And there you have it. 10 simple tips to organize your home and create a modern, stylish space. Remember, true organization is about creating a home that supports your well-being and brings you joy. Start with just one tip today, and watch your home transform. You might be surprised by how these small changes can make a big difference in your daily life. Like these tips? Subscribe for more home improvement ideas. We'll explore everything from maximizing small spaces to creating a more sustainable and eco-friendly home. Thank you for joining me on this journey to a more organized and joyful home.